Hey everyone, it's me, Feywood, and I've got a special treat for you today. We're going to be taking out Rotscale with the Wolff Guild. Now, two of our officers, CERN and AJ, couldn't be here, but I have the Wolff King, Randon Tain, and the special person, which will make this all too good, is Kido Kinzoku, one of the stars from the Bathroom Critics. I'll introduce you to them now.
He's the Wolff King, guild leader of the Wolff Guild. My weapon of choice, Duena's Grace. My special skill, Avatar Grith.
I'm Randon Tain. I'm a warrior. I break stuff, and I'm a dragon slayer.
Hey. I'm Kido. I wield the storm bow, zealous and fortitude, and I hate the fuck out of Randon Tain, and I really hate being on this video with him, and I really want to kill Rotscale, so stop looking.
Oh yeah, I just remembered our Bathroom Critics video has a lot of cussing in it, so I guess we can cuss how many times we want, so I don't think we'll get ripped.
Don't mind Kido's catchphrase.
Shit, yes.
Alright, you're about to see the Wolff Guild work it.
Bring it in.
And the reason I won't be doing much damage is because I have a disrupt build, and it's to disrupt Rotscale. It's really good to go against him. Not damage, but it makes it to where he can't use any of his skills. Alright guys, let's go after the one on the right first. Ping your heroes at the very edge of the oh, never mind. At the edge of the bridge.
Finished. I love longbows because of the range and damage you can put out.
Ooh, clerics.
Take him out real quick. Next I'm attacking the husband.
Alright, try not to go to the top of the stairs.
Fuck. Sorry.
Alright guys, behind us.
They're coming behind us.
Run back.
Doing good, keep it up.
I'm sending out a Sin support now, which is that Sin right there in front of me. He's helping me fight. It is a title track skill. I only use it on this build though. Alright, good job guys. Let's kick the crap out of him now. I have a hero named Pyre Fearshot, and he disrupts along with me. If you could, you can't really see my disrupts all too well, but I disrupt quite a bit. Alright, going up here along my best friend Kido. I'm going after Rotscale now, interrupt like crazy.
Didn't mind bonus of being on the hill.
Most of my heroes are dead, so interrupts are going to be up to me and Gwen.
I'm gonna power shot Rotscale to death.
It's weird, Rotscale isn't using any skills right now. Okay, there we go. I got it just in time.
Yeah, I saw that. Nice. And that was his elite skill, which is not really bad.
That bar at the very top is my, when you see it go purple, that's when I'm disrupting.
Notice if anybody's seen the video with me, instead of building a site, I'm actually using a stack this time, so I'm not doing physical attacks, I'm just summoning spirits this time.
I'm going to go alongside you guys and so I can get good footage of you. I'm not going to attack for a little bit.
That's good. Hopefully he doesn't kill us with his one moves. It's crazy how much damage I'm putting out. It's barely affecting his ass. Nice, Randon.
We'll go back around and get some more good shots of them.
There we go. Yes, he's dead. First try. What we do?
Yep, this is all the first try. And we normally get always on the first try.
Both Kido and me are rangers.
Yep.
I am a disrupt ranger this time,
Go after you guys.
and he is a power shot ranger,
Trying to absorb all of his attacks.
which means that he's doing output damage, trying to do major damage. I'm just trying to disrupt him.
Doesn't know, Rotscale is actually considered one of the hardest bosses in the game.
Very true. And we kick the crap out of him first try.
Though mind you, I remember the first time
Shot. And
Randon got the Rotscale bow.
good job. Man, we crowd over this dead corpse of the once strong Rotscale, which not strong anymore because he's dead.
We have destroyed him, guys.
Good job.
fencing time.
Well, that was fun, guys.
Very fun.
Indeed
Can't wait
it
to
was.
upload that. I got a lot of good. That was way better than the first one.
Oh, heck yes.
And he disappeared. Alright, everybody say goodbye. This has been the Bathroom Critics with a special Wolff Guild episode.
Deuces.
See ya.
Are we done filming?
Bye bye.
Okay.